Hello, everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Today, we are going to talk about the amazing product. Will you guess what it is?
Hi everyone, we're excited to share this with you. So let's get started.
Hello, everyone. This Beijing be answering the first question. The one, what product did we choose?
Okay, we chose the GoPro Hero 13 Black. It's an incredible product for anyone who loves capturing moments in action.
React. One, what does the product look like?
The product is compact, lightweight, and sleek. It has a rectangular shape with a matte black finish. Its surface feels smooth and it weighs only 125 grams.
Yes, and its design makes it perfect for outdoor activities. You could easily carry it anywhere without any hassle.
Exactly. So, Raúl, how much does the product cost?
The product costs 399,000. Is affordable when you consider its durable build and advanced features.
Absolutely. People should think about how much value they get for that price. One, what is the product made of?
The GoPro Hero 20 Black is made of high quality plastic, stainless steel, and tempered glass for its length. These materials make it very robust and water resistant up 23 feet.
Now, the one, what call people of the product for?
Okay, people could use the GoPro for adventure photography, blogging, even underwater filming. It's versatile and know that professionals and beginners alike.
The ring it could also be used for capturing widely shot and stabilized videos during sports or travel.
Finally, Raul, why should people buy the product?
People should buy this product because its 40 cutting-edge technology is easy to use and delivery high quality enhanced videos. Plus, is durable and weatherproof, making it ideal for light hits or adventures.
Not to mention, it's a fantastic investment for a young who wants to record their best memories.
Okay, well, that our presentation. We hope you enjoy learning about the GoPro 13 Black.
Thank you. Your attention, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.